Hi guys, my name is Andre and I'm the intern Power BI developer and data analyst at About IT. Today we're going to learn quick tips, tricks, and shortcuts in Power BI. First one we're going to start off with is changing queries. This is more of a tip if you're stuck in Power BI and don't know where to go to get your SQL query from that your report's currently running. First thing we're going to do is you're going to click on Transform Data. You'll see two options again, Transform Data and Data Source Settings. Now, ideally you would think it would lie in Data Source Settings, so we'd click on it. You click on Change Source, and you'll see you get information like the server that the report is currently connected to, the database that the report is pulling the data from, and the SQL query. But you'll see you cannot copy or edit the SQL query. So what do? Not a problem. You go back, click on Transform Data, you click on it again, and you'll see that there are two queries to this report, and each query has its own source. So we click on it. And you'll see it brings up the same information as last time, the server that the report's connected to, the database, but this time there's the query. And you can now copy and edit the SQL query and make changes to it, which is a pretty neat tip if you need to access the SQL query and the report that the query is directly built on and you need to make changes to it. All right, the next one is cleansing the data. So you'll see my data is pretty clean. But I did leave out transaction date for us. I did leave out the time here, just so that we have something to work on and to make the report, we're going to remove it to make the report run a bit smoother. Because as you can see, there is no data for time, but the report is currently still using the resources to go find and match that data and bring it back. So we're going to clean it up a bit. To do this is very simple. Either right click on Tron Date and you click on Change Type and you click on Date, or you click on that little calendar icon over there and you click on Date and you click Insert. And there you'll see it will have changed it and only brought back date, which is great. It's great for us. It helps the report also refresh a bit quicker because it doesn't have to bring that additional information in. If you want to revert back these changes because you made a mistake maybe, all you do is you go to Applied Steps and you see there it says Change Type. You click on it and you click Delete and it will revert back to default. All right, and if you now want to save these changes that you made, you click on that drop down there and you click Close and Apply. But for now, we're not going to do that. We're just going to close it. All right, that was cleaning the data. The last two we're going to be doing for today is cross-filtering and the draw up function. They're very quick and easy to go through. Cross-filtering on a visual is a simple basis to understand. Not a lot of users know about this, but for example, you have a report displaying all information and you want to focus specifically on something. All you have to do is click on it and it will highlight that specific information and fade out everything else. So you can use this to isolate information and see more detail of it, like USA bartending, like AgriLink's food. You can see the sales and cost over this year, specifically for AgriLink food, instead of seeing it for all the clients of this year. The last one is drill down function. So assume these were already open. Instead of having to go and individually close them, which takes a lot of time, and you know what I mean, it's not very efficient. All you have to do is you right click here and you say collapse all, or let's open these up again, or you go to data and drill and you click drill up and it will do the same. And this is pretty convenient for anybody who uses this report to understand this function. All right, that will be all for today. Thank you very much and enjoy your day.